Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, established in 1958, currently has over 500 staff. Tongli has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001 certification. Tongli is top 10 technology and equipment demonstration enterprises of National Cement Grinding System and accredited as a high-tech and new technology enterprise of Zhejiang Province. In recent years, we have obtained many honors and qualifications in our industry. Tongli is located in Tongxiang City, Zhejiang Province. Occupies an area of 12,000 square meters. The construction area of the workshop is 85,000 square meters. The maximum lifting capacity of a single head crane is 200 tons. After years of development, there are more than 100 sets of heavy machinery manufacturing equipment in our workshop. And after working hard for more than 60 years, Tongli has owned the first-class science and technology development centers and craftsman team, with much experience and skilled technology, especially in manufacturing series of cement and mineral equipment such as various kinds of rotary kiln, vertical roller mill, and ball mill. Meanwhile, Tongli manufactures the equipment and large-sized structural parts for compound fertilizer, mining, power generating, sludge, waste incineration systems, which were widely exported to more than 20 countries, such as Germany, USA, Russia, India, Japan, Vietnam, Philippines, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, and so forth.